this one guy, when they start the coaster, he goes down in an elevator. No idea why, but we'll find out. But here we go. This is Max. Oh, it's such a gentle and nice ride. If you're only watching this Onride, I would recommend you to check out the full vlog here from Efteling on our YouTube channel, Coaster Stop. You can also find... I got afraid! We can also find vlogs from all the other parks we visit from our trips around the world.
Faster.
And now we do the second round. For some reason there's no Onride music on Max today. And the second time around it's so much faster, I like it. Oh, look at this guy. Okay, so my ride, my favorite ride is Max. I like Max more than Moritz. I hope you liked it, guys, because we really enjoyed that. That was so much fun.